What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 2010 Pyromaniac.com video preview outlook for Derrick Ward. Going into last year, Derrick Ward was a very popular pick. A lot of guys saw him as being, a breakout candidate in Tampa Bay. He put up some good numbers in New York, and this was going to be his first chance to be the main guy, not be in the Brandon Jacobs shadow, and just get a chance to run wild in mock drafts. He was going, 5th round, 6th round, great, area to get a breakout guy. And then lo and behold, a week before the season starts, out of nowhere, Raheem Morris, who fires his coordinators before the season starts, decides that he's going to go with Cadillac Williams. Much to the chagrin of a lot of Derrick Ward owners. Luckily, I wasn't affected by that last year, but I was this close to being affected by it. So when you dodge a bullet like that, you definitely have to, count your blessings and feel happy that you dodged one. This year, the rules are a little bit reversed. Everyone's targeting Cadillac. No one's talking about Derrick Ward. Derrick Ward does have game. Recently, he said that last year helped put things in focus for him. He's hungrier, and they're battling it out in camp. Will he take over? I don't think so. But as we all know, Cadillac does have an injury history, and Derrick Ward is effective in the passing game. So he could carve out a role for himself at third down if he takes over for Cadillac and gets the bulk of the carries at some point, either because he beat them out and is taking over for an injury. Then he could be a good guy to get. He's going almost for nothing in fantasy drafts, mostly going undrafted. In dynasty leagues, you can probably get him really late. And Raheem Morris has already said that he's not going with a committee, he's going with a hot back. So if Cadillac comes out, is sluggish, not getting a yard per carry average, the offense is young. I do like their offense a lot. I think they're a year away from truly breaking out, but I do like them. Should they have growing pains, and that reflects in the running game, you may be seeing Derrick Ward starting a few games this year. So if you're looking for a back, I'd always talk about stealing starts. If you're looking for a back that's a good back to steal starts, a good stealing starts candidate, Derrick Ward's your guy. He's also a former Bulldog. Go Dogs. Guys on Twitter, give us a follow at Pyromaniac with a 1 instead of an I. You can follow me at Pyro_Lion. Get to our website, pick up this cool shirt, pick up our draft kit for only $7.50. Crash course and everything you need to know for your fantasy football draft to dominate. And bookmark our new site, fantasyfootballpharmacy.com.